On February 17, 2025, Delta Airlines Flight 4819, a CRJ-900 aircraft, crash-landed at Toronto Pearson International Airport. Originating from Minneapolis, the flight faced severe landing difficulties due to unprecedented snowfall, flipping upside down on the runway. The challenge was to safely manage the landing amidst extreme weather conditions, with a year's worth of snow falling in just 2 days. As the aircraft attempted to land, the runway's icy surface and poor visibility posed significant threats. The pilot struggled to stabilize the plane, but the conditions were too severe, resulting in the dramatic crash. Emergency response teams acted swiftly, ensuring all 80 passengers survived, though 18 were injured, with 3 in critical condition. This incident, North America's 4th major aviation disaster that month, highlighted the urgent need for improved safety measures. The quick response and the aircraft's structural integrity were crucial in preventing fatalities. As investigations continue, the focus remains on enhancing aviation safety protocols to withstand such extreme weather events in the future.